kubor ke babnya ya Muktiar jong ka kanhon seng le no Hnlc u Fernando Shangpliang shamlasha mantep i kot kislada ka Unlawful Activities Prevention Act Tribunal namar ka Tribunal kalabo ya ka sngi banle ya ka ne ha khalai trik rumpang kum ka tarik ba ka Hnlc kala ban pha ya ki jung persha jongki ha ka pe de bat kini ka Bynta Muktiar ka Hnlc u ba Fernando Shangpliang lalet mi ahmad jong Tribunal menta ka sngi sajan ha ka sien ka benengkong ha bakren bat kilat pathai kubor oleh tho baula pha ye ki jing tho ahmad Tribunal ban sha eu baun pha ye kot kisla na ka Bynta ka Hnlc namar bagi kwa ba ka sarkar kan weng no ye ki jing khen be anya ki ha be tho ba ka sarkar deng ba ka sarkar jela ki la de ban pha ye ka affidavit jongki uni Muktiar uloang ba kilaya chakmat ha ka be de bat kini ka Bynta da ka babishar ya barok ki saki star kat kum usang pliang un sabishar biang ya barok ki saki star bala pha da ka sarkar deng bat sarkar jela ha ka khnai trik uyayong ha gohati
have to proceed ahead for regarding the cross examination on by Monday by next week from the Union of India they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit then the state also they will on the next week they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit and based on that then from my side I have to go through what I have needed to before I go to for cross examination regarding all the witness that has been submitted by the Union of India and the state government.